Alright guys, so I've just jumped over to Alibaba.com. This is the main place where I find suppliers and source my products to sell on either eBay or Shopify. So what I'm going to do is show you my step-by-step method. The first thing that I tend to do is start off on the main homepage. And as you can see right there, it says 2021 consumer electronics. I personally like to sell items within the consumer electronics category because they tend to sell very well. But there's other categories that you can search on Alibaba.com. Whether you want to search the pet category or any other category, there's various different categories that you can choose from. But I'm going to be looking at the 2021 consumer electronics category right now. On this section, it's going to show me the trending products that are currently being imported from various different sellers all around the world. So what I tend to do from this point is that I click on view more right there. Okay, so this is the page that you're going to see next. By the way, right now it's March 2021. So that's the reason why it says March Expo right there. But even though I might release this video after March, there's still going to be a section on the homepage that's going to allow you to see any trending product within any category. So just go to the homepage, have a look through, and then you're going to be able to see the section that you need to click on to get to this page right here. So now that I'm on this page, what I do is that I just scroll down and then I click on this section over here where it says 2021 selected trending products. And then what you're going to do from this point is you're just going to scroll through, have a look at items that you might want to sell on your eBay store, wherever you feel comfortable with. What I always advise my students is to make sure that any product that you pick, that you have some sort of interest or some sort of common knowledge in, so that when it comes time for your customers to ask you questions, you're going to be able to answer them as best as you can. So once you're on this page right here, make sure that you look out for items that you know you'll be able to sell and you know that you're going to have some sort of passion in. So even through the low times, even through difficult times, even through times where there's issues with the product, you're going to be able to solve those issues fairly quickly. So what I do next is that I just scroll through, have a look at different items that I might want to sell on my eBay store, something that also fits in with other products that I'm currently selling. And then from there, I'm going to show you exactly what I do when it comes to checking the analytics, making sure that it's definitely selling well on eBay before I import it from Alibaba.com. So let's continue. There's so many different items to choose from, but I'm just going to choose this one right here, which is a magnetic car phone holder. I'm just going to make sure that this product is definitely selling well on eBay before I import it. So what I'm going to do is just jump over to eBay right now. All right, guys, so I've just jumped over to eBay and I've typed in magnetic phone holder. This is what I do next, just to see exactly which magnetic phone holders are selling well. Okay, so I can see that this one sold 5,000 units. What I'm going to do is just click into it. Okay, once I've clicked into it, it's now telling me that they've actually sold 11,000 units and they sold 2 in the past hour. The next thing that I do is that I click on the sold link here, just to make sure that they've sold one every single day so that I know that it's definitely selling well and it's selling well every single day. So by the way, today is the 24th of March. And as I can see, they've sold 100 in the past 2 days. And they're selling it, not for a high amount. They're only selling it for around $379, depending on the model, depending on how many the customer needs. But it's roughly around $370, $330 average price. By the way, guys, I'm just using this as an example to show you exactly how you can find products on Alibaba.com. I'm not necessarily saying that you should sell this product exactly. We're just using it as an example so that you can go away and find the product that you're going to be happy to sell on your own stores. Okay, so the next thing that I do is that I go over to Terapeak on eBay just so that I can check the data, the analytics, make sure that everything is looking good in terms of what I look out for when it comes to finding a hot selling product from Alibaba.com to sell on my stores. So if you're new to my channel and you don't know what Terapeak is a useful research tool that allows you to check all the data when it comes to products that have been sold on eBay. So it's very useful to anyone out there that's either already selling on eBay because you can use it to add new products to your stores, or anyone out there that's new to eBay that's looking to find products to sell. This is what I used when I first got started and it's what I continue to use till now. So if you've got an eBay business account and you're paying for the basic store, which is around $19.99 per month, then you get it for free. But if you don't have a business account, you're going to have to either pay for the business account for 1 month just so that you can access this research tool and then do the research that you need. But it's going to cost you $19.99 per month. So just bear that in mind. Okay, so what I do once I'm on this page is that I type in the product that I'm looking for. So I've already typed in magnetic phone holder, and I've set the date range to the 1st of March to the 24th of March. As I said previously, we're in March right now, so this is the date range that's available for me to check. And then the next thing that I do is that I click on new, fixed price and best offer accepted. The reason why I click on new is because if I do decide to start selling this product, I'm only going to be selling new items only. The reason why I select fixed price is only because I'm going to be listing it for buy it now, which is fixed price. And the reason why I select best offer accepted is because when you put best offer options on your listing, it actually ranks it higher in the eBay search results. I'm going to link a video above where I broke down other methods that you can use when it comes to trying to get your products ranked higher in the eBay search results and ultimately get more sales. So once I've selected these 3 options right here, what I'm going to do is to scroll down and show you what I look out for. So as you can see right there, this product has a 38% sell-through rate. If you're new to my channel, I always like to sell products that have a minimum sell-through rate of around 40%. The closer you can get to 100, the better. Bear in mind that sell-through rates are changing on a monthly basis, on a daily basis. Depending on the month, the season, or the product, it's going to have a different sell-through rate every single day. But this one today has a 38% sell-through rate, which is not the best, but it's not the worst. But again, guys, I'm not necessarily going to sell this product. I'm just using it as an example. The next thing that I look out for, guys, is this section right here, where it says 140,000. What this number here represents is the amount of money that was generated amongst every single seller within the date period that we was looking at, which is the 1st of March to the 24th of March. So all the sellers that were selling any product with the keyword magnetic phone holder in it was able to generate £140,000 in sales amongst every single seller. And I'm just going to show you how that's been divided by all the sellers here. So what you need to do is come to this section where it says total sales and sort it from highest to lowest. Okay, so as you can see, the one that we initially looked at was able to make £4,000 in 24 days by selling this particular product. And the seller after that was able to make £3,000 from selling this product. So that's normally the process that I go through to make sure that a product is selling well on eBay. I make sure that the sell-through rate is decent. I make sure that the total sales is good. And I also make sure that the sellers are making a decent amount as well. What I'm going to do is type in the product that we was just looking at, which is magnetic phone holder. And then what you're going to do is that you're just going to scroll through and try to find the exact design that we was looking at. So as you can see right here, this is the one that we was looking at on eBay that's currently selling well. But the main thing that you need to look out for when it comes to sourcing a product on Alibaba.com is make sure that you look at this section right here where it says the amount of years that they've been on Alibaba.com. So what you're going to want to do is look out for the highest years possible. I like to look for suppliers that have been on Alibaba.com for around 5-6 years minimum, but it just depends on the product that I'm looking for. So I wouldn't necessarily go for this supplier right here. What I'll do is I'll just keep scrolling and try to find one that has been around for a longer period of time. Okay, so as we can see right here, it didn't take me too long. This supplier has been on Alibaba.com for 7 years. So this is the one that I would most likely contact if I did decide to sell this product. If you want to know exactly how I contact suppliers, my step-by-step process of communicating with them when it comes to reaching out to suppliers on Alibaba.com, I'm going to link a video above that's going to break down exactly what I do to make sure that I can find the best supplier and that I can get my message across to them in the best possible way. I wouldn't necessarily look at this section here where it says minimum order 50 pieces, because once you start negotiating with them after you've watched that video that I've linked above, you're going to be able to negotiate with them and get this minimum order price lowered if you want to. You might want to get 50 pieces, it doesn't really matter, but once you start talking to them, that's the point where you're going to be able to tell the supplier exactly what quantity you need of whatever product you're looking to import. And that's it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you got some value out of it, and I hope now you have a better understanding of what you can do to find products using Alibaba.com, especially on their trending page. It's very useful when you're stuck on what product to sell. If you did get any value out of the video, I really appreciate it. If you can press the like button, as it really helps out the channel in a big way, allows me to continue providing content for you guys that's going to help you make this money on either eBay or Shopify. Whilst you're down there, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification, because I'm releasing videos every couple days that's going to help you make money in your e-commerce businesses. Don't forget to add me on Instagram as well, because I'm going to start doing a lot more giveaways in 2021. So make sure you add me on Instagram. Comment down below and let me know what you thought of this video. If you enjoyed the strategy or if you're going to use the strategy, comment down below. I would love to hear from you. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.